Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kelvin Haryansyah, student, fourth year student from SCSR, Faculty of Engineering, School of Computing. Today I would like to present to you my demonstration video for my final year project in order to fulfill the requirement of the final year project. So in my project will be covered as system development, and here I develop an application for clinic that called Ratu Medika, and the application will have domain scope of queue and appointment. This application also was managed with access control, which means the users will be split into two. Uh, the first one will be patients, and the second one will be doctor. So I would like to demonstrate to you from the patient side first. By logging in into the application by email that I already create. Also, if you don't have any account yet, you can click the register and fill up the requirement needed to be able to make an account. So here's the main page of the patient sites. As you can see, the main function are there with the book appointment queue, also the medic detail that will be managed by the doctors, so the users can review their medic detail. Also, the other two will be called the office and email of the clinic itself. So I'm gonna start by the booking appointment. Here's there's no appointment because we we don't assign any yet. So here's the example. Booking for also can be used if you are a parent, and you can put your children name here if it's for your children that have not have any smartphone yet to access the clinic system. And the type of appointment, whether it's doctor visit, routine checkup, scan update. For the doctor visit, uh, it means the doctor will come to your residence, whether if you are unable to go to the clinic, or you have something else that obstacle that makes you cannot go to the clinic. And then for here I just choose the doctor visit. And what's the problem? For example, for children is fever, high fever, and then for just date and time. Okay. Yeah, for example, I just 2 days from now, which is 21, and then set the time that will be in night. Afternoon. Okay, 19:30, I guess is okay. Okay, and then after that, just book now. Just click on the book now button. As you can see, the appointment has been recorded into our account. Also, it will be recorded to doctor account, so doctor get notified by this. But in order to make these appointments work, the doctors have to accept it first, because as I already mentioned this in the PSM video presentation, that sometimes doctor have two jobs. So doctor, not only the patient have emergency, sometimes doctor also have emergency. So we are going back to the main page and then test the second main function, which is queue. For the queue, it's supposed to be opening the camera, and then we scan the QR code, and then the queue will be appear in the top of the in the bottom of the name of the users. While using the app, okay. Then okay, so the queue has been recorded. It will also update to the doctor side of the interface. So we can choose the queue. The current queue is 1 because we are the only one who taking queue. And then for the third one will be medic detail. Medic detail will be covered weight, blood type, blood pressure, and height. And this one patients only able to view, as the doctor one that will be modified. Call the office, it will direct us to clinic number phone, and then email us, it will be direct us to the clinic email. And then this one is the announcement article that as a extra feature that I not developed yet. Okay, maybe that's all for the patient sites. So we are moving to the side of the doctor interfaces. Same things, we have to log in by email. So as you can see here, the appointment that we already made on the patient sites already recorded in the doctor interface. Also for the queue, we are able to update the queue by next or reset it for the next day. So if I post next queue, the current queue will update to next queue number, and then for the reset, it will be reset to 0. For this one, all the appointment, as you can see, we only assign one appointment, so there will be only one appointment in here. And for the medic detail for the patient, as I mentioned before, doctor is the one who modify and manage it. So we can do it in the patient's book here. So these all are the account that already registered into for the system. So in an example, we are using this one, and then we are able to modify weight by 169 or 168, systolic by 19, diastolic by 18, height height 80, height 168. Alright, so this one also we are able to choose, we are able to modify their blood type, whether the patient have A, B, or O. Okay. Systolic and diastolic is the rate of heart. After this, we just press the save change button. Alright, and then it will be automatically updated to patient side. So, I almost forgot. For the doctor visit, as I mentioned before, the doctor are able to manage by cancel, review, and reschedule. For reschedule, we are able to change the date, and also it also will update it into the patient side of interface. Okay, save changes, and then review. The review will be done after the treatment. Also, if doctor choose cancel appointment, this appointment will be disappear, and the patient have to make new appointment. The appointment is missing, is disappearing because the doctor cancel it. So maybe that's all for my final year project system development. This is my application demo in order to fulfill the requirement for the final year project. Yeah, maybe that's all. My name is Kelvin Haryansyah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.